Welcome back my viewers to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. In this video, it's all about I got 3 tomato tree here at home and 10 sweet pepper plant. It is now time for pruning of the tomato plant. Stick around my viewers. It's all about the tomato full of blossom. Yeah, as you can see, it's all about time. Get them prune up, yeah, and kind of get them tied up and some stick here. Alright, stick around.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers, as you can see, my tomato plant here blossoming. Yeah, it is time for some chalicing. As you can see, some stick drum beside it for chalicing. Alright, yeah, so it is time for pruning. Yeah, you know, when you prune the plant, you give the plant more here to get more here to breathe and get more space to bear. Alright, so at this time, my viewers, it's all about pruning my tomato plant. Okay, at this time, my tool is a scissors, you know what I mean? Don't have that cutting tool. That is the first one. First one is off. Second one is off. You know, all those limbs, all those branches not gonna bear anything. You know what I mean? That one is off. Yeah. And these sprout now. These sprout can plant back. Yes, you can plant back these sprout. Turn it into sucker, you know what I mean? So yes, I'm gonna do so. I'm gonna plant them back. But all these limbs here, just going to take up space on the plant. Yeah. So yes, this is an next sprout. All these little fine thing here is root. Alright. So yes, I'm gonna try to catch back some of those sprout. Yes. Yeah. But all these branches is gonna be half. Give it the space to bear. Alright. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Alright, here I have an next sprout here. So I'm gonna cut this one to plant it also. Yeah. This is a branch. Get it off. I think this can come off to you know. Alright, have a young one on it. Alright. So this is I guess that is the next sprout. Can cut the plant back. Here is the next one. Here is the next one here. The next sprout, you know what I mean, can plant back. Alright. So as you can see, I have a okra tree. This is an okra plant here. Alright. That is an okra plant. Right at home here. Alright, so as you can see, the tree look much lighter now. Yeah. So there's more space to bear. You know. So I'm gonna take off this sprout. I'm gonna plant it. I'm just gonna leave it there. So I'm gonna plant this one. Alright. The rain is dewing at the same time. As you can see, my viewers, I have a root of corn here, very bossy. Yeah. Alright, I have a next tomato plant here. Yeah. 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 Right. The plant will have more energy now to survive. Yeah. Because all those branch is off. Alright, this one here is very small, so give it some more time. Alright. As you can see here, this pepper is already pruned, but there is no stick for them to chalice. Understand? And as you can see, these ones here, two pepper plant, I don't prune them as yet. I'm just leave them to see the difference. Yeah. And as you can see, this one have on two pepper here, and it have on blossom also. This one have on a small pepper here and one here. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, no fertilizer, just water. Alright, as you can see, sawdust is inside the soil with some ashes. Yeah. I have a planting sucker here. Yeah. This planting sucker here, I get it this morning. So, you know, get some ashes through on the root of it before plant. Leave it for a little while to stale. After stale, dig a hole, put some ashes into the hole, and then plant it. Yeah, my viewers, look here. Yeah. The rain is dewing, so the pepper sucker them, the pepper plant them smell, you know, the rain. Water is coming, you know. Yes, my viewers. I have some next pepper over there. I'm going to go over there shortly to show you what's going on. Alright, in this pan here, I have 4 pepper plant inside here and a root of lettuce. As you can see, I leave the lettuce to seed. Yeah, this is the lettuce that I leave to seed. In the morning, there's a lot of bloom, but by 12 noon, all the bloom are half. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, this pepper plant here, there's a pepper on it. And as you can see, they are all pruned. Yeah, preparing themselves to start to bear. This one now was eaten by animal, you know. Animal eat this one here, so you know, kind of stay back a little. Yeah, but it have on blossom also. Yeah, as you can see, blossom is there also. Yeah, as you can see in here, there are some young plants inside here. I have some red bell peppers and some yellow bell peppers, but I never did want to mix them up. They get mixed up by me, so I have to just sow the one them inside here that get mixed up by me. You know what I mean? Because don't want to mix up the red and the yellow bell peppers, because the yellow pepper very delicate. You know what I mean? It can't take the water as the red one, so you know. Don't want to get them mixed up. But the one them that mix up, I throw it inside here. And as you can see, beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, my viewers. Soon they reach the time when they need to transplant. I'm going to transplant them one of the evening. You know what I mean? Transplant them in the evening so they get the night warm, cool dew on them. So by the time in the morning the sun to come up on them, you know, them have a little strength already. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So yes, my viewers, we need some rain, but it's all about the grace of the Almighty. You have to wait on Him, you know, to get some rain. As you can see, the sky is very cloudy. You know, from day by day, about 3 days ago now, the time is getting cloudy, but rain is only dewing. So hope we get some rain before the weekend comes in. All right. Yes, my viewers, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. If you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video coming out. All right. Yes, my chocho plant, yes, still bearing. Alright? Yeah, man, my chocho plant is still bearing. Have to plant something at home, my viewers. Yeah, have to plant something. You know what I mean? Yes. When you plant something, you plant it for the kitchen. Yeah? So, update on the little banana. Yeah? And you know, I have some pumpkin that I plant. I plant 2 root of pumpkin on here. And I was wondering what is going on with these pumpkins. So I go to give them some water yesterday. And I find out that one of the pumpkin have one pumpkin on it. You know what I mean? The time is very dry. So you know, I have a green chocho plant here. It's kind of down because the time is very dry. But I have a young pumpkin on the vine here. Yes, I have a young pumpkin on the vine here, my people. I have a young pumpkin on the vine here. Let's show you. Let's show you the young pumpkin here. Yeah, that is the young pumpkin down there. Right in the middle there. Yes. So, plant this pumpkin shortly. 2 root up there. Started to bear. That is good. Good sign. Don't it? Alright. Stick around. I have pumpkin here. I have chocho here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Heading for the ackee tree. So yes, my viewers. It's all about Jamaica farmers that have to plant something. Alright? Yeah, man. Look on this pepper here, my viewers. There is no chemical add to this pepper here. Notice how the pepper is green. Yeah. It is not that big as all the one in the greenhouse would be. But trust me, this one don't have no fertilizer, no nutrients, nothing. Alright? Yeah. As you can see, I pick one from here. I pick one from here. And trust me, I have it about 3 weeks before I cut it inside the kitchen, put on the counter. And trust me, it never withered. You know what I mean? It never move a muscle. It's still looking good. So this is the next one. Yeah. No fertilizer. Alright? It's all about. If you want to go vital, you have to go vital. Alright? Yeah, man. Organic. Trying to be organic because you know it is a lab pepper. But I don't show no fertilizer to it. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Jamaican farmers out. Just here waiting for some rain to fall. You know what I mean? Because you know, plantation need water. Alright? One love, my viewers. Blessings to each and every viewers. Alright? Peace. I'm out.